the other question, and the other question is this one here, number 6. And number 6 requires that we still, in mathematics, we are usually in the business of either finding the value of x or finding the value of y. And once we stop finding those values, then mathematics will not be in existence. Find the values of x. We start by the equation 5 power 2x minus 6 times 5 power x, then plus 5 equals to 0. Very well. That's what we have. And I want you to really figure the equation out from this point. I have 6 times, this is 5 power x. Then I have 5 to the power of 2x. But I can split 5 to the power of 2x so that it is in terms of, again, 5 power x. By use of the laws of indices. So basically, 5 to the power of x is simply 5 power x, 10 times 5 power x. Now I can here. So that means 5 power x. So this ought to be x here. So basically that is 5 to the power of x, then times 5 to the power of x. Then this one minus 6 times 5 to the power of x, then plus 5 is equal to 0. So from here we can say let 5 to the power of x be y. So that means that y times y, then minus times y plus 5 is equal to 0. So from here, you should be able to observe that we are going to make to form a product. Therefore, where minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So class, what follows next is we need to solve this, and perhaps I want you to solve that. So there are several ways of solving. One way is by use of factorization. The other way is by complete square method. The other way is by graphical, and like other methods that can enable you to find the answer. Because in math, we do say that there are several ways of solving a problem. As long as by the end of the day, your way of solving a problem is legit. So that means that I have to find two numbers whose sum is negative 6, whose product is 5, and such a numbers we call them factors. So what are those factors now? Think that is negative 5 and negative 1. When we add them, we get negative 6. When we multiply them, you get 5. So that implies that we're going to have z minus 1 minus plus 5 is equal to 0. I group into two like that. So that means what y is basically y. So I should be able to pull out y, and if I pull out y, I mean with y, then what common between 5y and 5 is 5. So I pull out 5, I'll mean with y, then after introducing a bracket, the meaning or the sign has to change. So that should be negative 1, and all this gives us actually 0. So from here, class, you should be able to observe that on the first version, I have y minus 1. On the other part of my factorization, I again have y minus 1. They are the same. So I should that is y minus 1. What will remain will once again be y minus 5, and all this is equal to 0. So we do say that when you multiply two numbers and you get a 0, then it basically implies that one of the numbers must be 0. That is the only way for the equation to hold. So that implies that either y minus 1 is 0 or y minus 5 equals to 0. So from the first one, it implies that y equals to 1. And from the second one, it implies that y equals to 5. But basically, class, what was our y? We had said earlier on that our y was this here. We said let 5 power x be y. So now that we have gotten the value of y to be 1 and the value of y to be 5, then we need to come back and substitute. So we shall say that 5 to the power of x, 5 to the power of x equals 1, and the power 5 power 0. And from this one here, it implies that x equals to 0. And basically from the second one, where y is 5, it implies that 5 to the power is equal to 5 to the power of 1. The base is 5, the base is 5. It implies that the powers will again be equal, and the class, the value of x will be equals to 1.